Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to connect to Alaska Airlines Wi-Fi step by step. So first, turn on your device's Wi-Fi, enable your Wi-Fi feature on your phone, tablet, or laptop. So from the list of available networks, choose alaskawifi.com. Now, launch your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Now visit alaskawifi.com. In your browser's address bar, type alaskawifi.com and press enter. You'll see options for texting, entertainment, or internet access. Select the one that best fits your needs. So just an important note that the streaming fast satellite Wi-Fi is available on most 737 and E175 aircraft, except flights above the Arctic Circle. For basic Wi-Fi which supports email and web browsing but not streaming, prices vary up to $24.99 and are available on certain aircraft. Eligible T-Mobile customers can enjoy free Wi-Fi benefits with unlimited sessions or specific free flight sessions based on their plan.